OPPO Find N5 real-life images leak. Now compare the Find N5 to the OPPO Find X8. The foldable appears to be slightly thicker than the Find X8. The Find N5 is less than 9.2 mm thick when folded and just over 4 mm thick on one side. OPPO Find N5 will be launched in China next month, a company official announced via social media. OPPO Chief Product Officer and OnePlus founder Pete Lau, the OPPO Find N5 will be the world's thinnest foldable phone. The OPPO Find N3 launched in global markets as the OnePlus Open, so OPPO Find N5 to be a rebranded OnePlus Open 2. The device will feature a 6.4-inch external display with 120Hz refresh rate, while the foldable Find N5 will offer an 8-inch main screen with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. OPPO Find N5 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The rear camera features a triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensors, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, a dual camera setup with 32MP and 20MP sensors is anticipated. Battery capacity is poised to increase to 5,900 mAh with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. Renders of the OnePlus Open 2 have also surfaced online. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.